looking at making something as a garden bench, got to think about what you're going to do with this, because obviously it's going to sit outside. Lots of you will probably leave it out there constantly. We could have some Douglas fir, some larch, some western red cedar, or some chestnut. These are all good external materials. I've got some giant redwood, or Wellingtonia as it's better known in the UK. So that again is good external wood. We need to make sure we get rid of the sapwood on this, or again that will rot out quicker. But the heartwood, more durable. Some of you might want to go with pressure treated type builder's type material. You can get this quite easy, pre-planed, ready to go off the shelf. You can use that. But again, remember you need to put something on it to help protect it. Things to possibly avoid. Beech in the UK, that will definitely rot out quite quickly. Oak, it would be nice to make it out of oak. It will last forever probably, but it's going to be very heavy to move about.